thank you all for coming out to tonight's Christmas in the Garden event. Year 1 and Year 2 have worked so hard. They're going to tell you a story all about the elves and reindeers and polar bears getting into all types of problems while Santa's away. So can you please join me in welcoming them onto the stage?
Come on, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, let's go play! Good idea, Dancer! Why do we have to work so hard? Reindeer get to play in the snowy yard. They're not learning, they just innocent. Playtime for reindeer is out of the question. Listen, don't they already know how to fly? They all forget by the end of July. Back to work. Have to finish these toys. Yes, toys, Oricos and Bob. Mush, mush, mush. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Some kids' parents can come to Toys R Us. If their kids like toy being boisterous, but more kids depend on Santa elves to bring them the toys they'll see on store shelves. Yes, Santa, but all children who behave as they should get told from Santa for being so good. Well, what do we get? We never have any fun. We work from morning until day is done. You're exaggerating. The sun's out on the horizon. The Arctic night is long, but the day so short it's pricey. Yes, such little daylight must not be wasting talking. Just look at the schedule. We are backed up. Shocking! But these new designs are so tricky and our tools are all antiques. This paint is too sticky and the school bus squeeze. Ow, my ear! My ears are bigger so they hurt even more. Our luck's going to change. Look! A beautiful sight! The Aurora Borealis is brightening the night. Aurora Borealis! An iridescent chalice. It's consuming waving swelling. Bouncing, screeching, glowing early. Reaching the tapestry. Ethereal, lush, a rhapsody. A miracle hush. We were practicing our flying ministry Aurora Borealis. It was like butterfly inside a crystal palace. But here it is so cold to the South Pole we should take a flight. But it is summer there until daylight, day and night. But overall it's colder because Antarctica is on continent. At the North Pole we have ocean with an ice cap floating on it. They have a lot of penguins, but we have polar bears. And the beautiful northern lights caused by solar flares. But solar flares come from the sun. Yeah. Small little air is so much fun. Our last is named for the solar lights. Solar flares in the freezing cold. I read up in some stuff. Ha! You can't wait for that until you are old. Besides, Aurora brings good luck. What kind of luck? We'll find out. Come in. Oh, my head don't break. I'm Elmo, the girl with elf from cave deep in the earth where other elves live. I've come with 2 strong arms and some advice to give. The things that give us satisfaction are the things we do ourselves. Sticking to it till the job is done makes us brighter, stronger elves. Do they do any work? Not much. Work from polar bears? That's a laugh, ha ha ha. Hey, you big marshmallow, what you do all day anyway? Mrs. Santa is so wise. If I need something, I'll ask her. And she knows all about the flora of the fauna. She's the master. She knows the elk, the wallet, the white wolf, and the seal. She feeds the huskies who run so fast and pull a sled with zeal. Never fear, we will fix these toys before Christmas and load them all on Santa's sleigh. Hooray! You are wondering why they call the dog geese and how. Geese to the right, house to the left until we get a dog. That's how they get their start non-stop when it's frozen time in ISC mark. Remember snowshoes on their little feet. So they don't think it's not of its safe. You really have to be a hero to go to 40 degrees below zero. People pilot later airplane over the ice wheel. And it's good to the west up by snowmobile. We mighty polar bears are willing to share it with animals and people who can bear it. Oh, you polar bears! Always putting on air. Christmas would have never happened without us reindeer. So much to do as the big night draws near. Enough! Remember your job making toys, not making noise. That's over! Back to doing nothing! Bye, Hey, Ash! We ran the officer for you. So we got to talking and this is what we will do. Go learn how to fly and have some fun. And we will do your work until the toys are all done. But Santa will sadly say no. Wait for him to go. Things are going smoothly here. Mrs. Santa and Elmo, please come help me load my gear. Gee, how much? Here, our job. Let's go. On the double. Ooh, I hope we don't get into any trouble. Tell Comet we sent you. He will show you around. Just think about cover and don't look down. I'll hammer out or prick to restore this baby doll. Take me higher, command wait, don't let me go. Yum, delicious frosting. Do you see cookies are okay? Look at me, I cast it. Watch out for the rake. I am turning up this teddy bear and next I will oil the skiers. This is how you do it. Spin your arm and flap your ears. This truck is a little squeaky. I'm giving it a loop. But I will need some more oil. I used up all the tubes. I think I don't need bandage. Do you see some about? Help! My head is stuck! Help me get it out! Watch it move, Space. You are breaking all the toys. I heard a lot of crashing. What's with all the noise? The reindeer have to take flight instruction. Everything is ruined. What a disaster. What shall we do? We can't work any faster. How can we finish on time with this business? The little children will have no toys on Christmas. What shall we do? I have an idea. Hey, you guys. Yoo-hoo. That is Elmo the governor, my very good friend. I wonder how soon my wish will mend. Polar bears, please help us. We had a disaster. We need some prints and brands to help us work faster. Never fear, we will fix these toys before Christmas and load them all on Santa's sleigh. Hooray! Listen. I wish we could have gone on the trip. I'm beginning to think we are not very hip. Well, it won't do any good to stand around sighing. It's all because we were failures at flying. So you want to fly? Listen, the hard work you shown us, you will receive a Christmas bonus. You have worked very hard for the duration, so you are going to Hawaii for much dressy vacation. Hooray! Go get ready, pack dark glasses and sun cream and your swimming trunks and toothbrush with a good book tucked in between. Alone at last.
And that concludes our Elfin Antics today. The Year 1 and Year 2 students have one more song to sing, and they'd like you to join in if you know the words.